Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, Luna Classic is making a very good closing on the daily time frame. Yesterday we've talked about a market cycle where you have a downtrend going on, you break above the downtrend, and then you start to move sideways until you don't start to go back up again. So that's the main plan. Now, how much are you going to move sideways? Now, keep in mind that the sideways can be even as long as 12 days, even 2 weeks. That's how much the sideways can be, especially when you're focusing on the daily time frame. You have to know that it's going to take days instead of hours. And now here you are, you have a progress. So yesterday you made an inverted hammer. Inverted hammer means that yes, you came down and you're probably looking to reverse to the upside. I wouldn't be surprised if Luna Classic does touch down 9434 as well. That's still normal. I don't think that's going to be anything bad. Coming down like this and then moving sideways, going up like that, and then doing something like this before you go up is still normal, because that's exactly what you were doing right over here. You made your time, you broke above, and then you started to move up. You come down, you take your time, and then you start to move to the upside. So that's just how it is at the moment. And that's all for the video. Just a quick comment, and I'm going to see you the next one in the office.